TravelZoo Honest Review. Look before you search for a hotel. Most people think finding travel deals online is simple, but you won't believe what happens next when a platform combines expert curation, exclusive discounts, and verified offers in one place. TravelZoo is a global travel deals website that provides curated offers for hotels, flights, vacation packages, cruises, and local experiences. Unlike generic booking sites, TravelZoo handpicks deals to ensure value, quality, and reliability. The surprising truth about TravelZoo is that it's not just an aggregator of deals, it's a trusted source that vets every offer. Many hotels, resorts, and tour operators offer temporary discounts that are exclusive to TravelZoo subscribers. Most people get this wrong. They assume all online travel deals are automatically good. In reality, some discounts are inflated or misleading. TravelZoo's editorial team verifies prices, so you know the deal is genuine. TravelZoo also includes user reviews, descriptions of perks, and detailed pricing, which makes it easier to compare offers and avoid hidden fees. You can receive alerts for deals in your preferred destination, ensuring you never miss opportunities. TravelZoo is best for travelers who want curated, reliable discounts without spending hours searching multiple booking sites. It's especially useful for families, couples, and solo travelers who want hotel packages, flights, or experiences at real value. The surprising truth is that using TravelZoo can save you both time and money, but it requires flexibility. Most deals are limited time or location specific, so planning and quick decisions can make a big difference. If you're serious about travel and want to maximize your budget without sacrificing quality, TravelZoo is worth exploring. Subscribe for more honest travel reviews and tips that help you book smarter and travel better.